Hello guys, and welcome on control panel overview of washing machine Whirlpool TDLR. So let's start from the control knob. By this one you can turn on your device and select the program. This button is for a color clothes. By this one you can activate the fresh care function. By this button you can start or stop your washing cycle. There we have a cancel of water pump out. There we have the delay, the quick rapid washing cycle, the pre-wash function, energy saver, the rinse aid, and the speed of the spinning. By holding these two buttons you can enable the tri-lock. And basically that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.